class. Today I would like to discuss a very new chapter, which is chapter number 18, transformation of sentences, from the English grammar book of class 5. Okay, so children, as we know that we have studied earlier that there are many types of sentences. Okay, they are assertive, imperative, declarative, positive, negative. So there are exclamatory, there are various types of sentences we have read. But today in this chapter we will be learning how to change a positive sentence into a negative by using certain there are certain rules which will be following to change the sentences. So let's see that sentences can be transformed from one kind to another, and positive sentences is changed to negative one, and there are some rules. So rule number 1, we can change positive sentence to negative by adding not after the verbs am, is, are and were. Let us see some examples. The sisters are helpful. Okay, so the sisters are not helpful. Here we have changed the positive sentence into negative by adding not. Okay, after the verbs as, am, are and were. So the second one, the wrapping paper is blue. The wrapping paper is not blue. Okay, so positive sentence has been changed to negative. Second rule, we can change the positive sentences to negative sentence by adding not between the helping verb and the main verb. The example, Utsav has been to London. Utsav has not been to London. Okay, not is being added between the helping verb and main verb. This is the site for the new office. This is not the site for the new office. So I hope you have understood this second rule. Third one, the sentence in the simple present or simple past tenses are changed to negative sentence by adding do, does and did along with not in front of the main verb. With example, I will be explaining you how to change the sentence which are written in the simple present or simple past tense form but can be converted into negative by adding do, does or did with the not in front of the main verb. She wrote neatly. So the sentence is she wrote neatly. I will be changing into negative by adding did he, she did not write neatly, and not is written in front of the main verb. Okay, not is written in front of the main verb right. In the second sentence, Nana writes short stories. Here not is being used or not is being written before write, and does is used to convert it into a negative one. Now I will be explaining you the rules in which the statement is converted into interrogative. Let's see. Now I will be explaining you some more rules, okay, where I will be explaining you how to convert, how to transform the statement which are in positive sense but to interrogative one, okay. Rule number 1, we can convert statements with the verb is, am, are, was and were into interrogative by placing the verb before the subject. Okay, so this rule explains that we can convert the statement with the verb is, am, are, was and were into interrogative, that is the question mark, by placing the verb before the subject. We will be seeing by some example. The scrapbook is yours. Okay, the sentence change here is this scrapbook yours? When we convert it into interrogative one and we make a question, then what happens? No, this verb is comes before the sentence and is this scrapbook yours? The question is like this. In the second sentence, Ria was on leave last Monday. So was Ria on leave last Monday? This is the type where we were converting the statement into interrogative one. Okay. Second rule, statements with a helping verb and a main verb I changed into interrogatives by placing the subject between the helping verb and main verb. Example, Aarti has slept. Has Aarti slept? Okay, what happened? That the subject is in between the helping verb and main verb. Okay, Ramona and Rahil are going to the fair. Are Ramona and Rahil going to the fair? Now number 3, the statement in simple present or simple past tenses are changed into interrogative by adding do, does, did before the subject and the main verb in its base form follows the subject. That means what? Here we convert the statement which are written in the simple present or simple past form but we are converting it into interrogative. That is we are asking the question by using do, did or does. Okay, so let's see some example how we will be using do, did and does. I own a big bungalow. Okay, it is a positive sentence. We will be converting it into interrogative one by using do. Do you own a big bungalow? Raj called the teacher. Did Raj call the teacher? Again, we will place a question mark here. Mrs. Sen teaches school children. Does Mrs. Sen teach? Here teachers will not repeat. Teach will be written. And does Mrs. Sen teach children? So these are three rules in which the positive statement is being converted into interrogative by following some rules. Okay. Now this the fourth one is how to convert the statement into exclamatory one. So with this example I will be explaining you. She has a lovely voice. So we will be using what a lovely voice she has. The man is utterly foolish. How utterly foolish the man is. Along with that, the exclamation mark is being put at the end of the statement. So what? That in the exclamatory sentence, what or how is used at the beginning, placing an exclamatory mark at the end of the sentence, and this will convert the statement into exclamation. Okay, so I hope that these few rules which I have explained are helpful for you to understand this chapter, and you will be doing the answers in the exercise which I have given in the group. And thank you and have a nice day.